Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm which Apple Pencil you own and that your iPad's Bluetooth is on so the device can appear. Open the Find My app and keep the iPad awake. This allows the pencil's last known location to register. Quickly remove any sleeve or case and scan nearby surfaces where you use it most, because immediate visual checks save time. Once done, make sure the iPad stays connected and ready while you move to active searching steps. Open the Find My app and tap devices to see the pencil's last known position and timestamp. This guides where to search first. Once you have a map point, walk the area slowly with your iPad, checking under furniture and in crevices while watching the device's proximity on screen, because movement updates can narrow distance. Make sure to inspect common charging and storage spots, bags, coat pockets, car seats, and ask anyone nearby if they moved it. When you locate a candidate object, pick it up and test it on your iPad to verify pairing and charging. This confirms it's your pencil. If the pencil isn't nearby, mark it as lost in Find My and add contact details so a finder can reach you. This increases recovery chances. Finally, retrace your steps and check any relevant lost and found points. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot your iPad and reopen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.